Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to make total price bold on cart page in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. Also, if you have started learning Shopify store design, theme customization and theme development, then you can continue this video because here you are going to learn everything from scratch and totally free. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to one of my Shopify online store under development. Here is the ready store under development, and I have already added a lot of things in this store that is totally free, and this is a free DOM theme. I just developed it by myself using custom code. Okay, and here we are going to make the total price font weight bold, and that's why we're going to click on this product. So we're going to add some product on our cart. So click on the add this product, add to cart. Wow, you see this effect? You'll get the tutorial on my YouTube channel about this effect, how you can add such effect on your Shopify store also. Okay, we have added the one product. Also go back in the shop, add another product on the cart. So going to add to cart. Yes, so now go to the cart page and you see estimate total. We are going to change the font weight of this text, that's mean total cost price. Okay, to do this, very simple, just you have to right click on your mouse, then select inspect and click on the element selector icon, click on it, then move your mouse and just put it on this total price, then simply click on this plus icon and click on here, looks very carefully, then type font width, then make it looks very carefully in here bold. You see, simple. Then keep your mouse on this class, click on the copy rule. Okay, go back your Shopify store admin panel. Here is my Shopify store admin panel. Then click online store, then click on this three dot icon, edit code and open base.css file. Scroll down, go to the bottom of this file, then simply paste this code in here. Okay, click on the save, and after asset save, reload, you see it's highlighted. Also we can add many things in here that I'll show in future. For example, animate circle within this total price or around the total price, animate border line in total price. So I will show you in later how you can do this. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.